Hello everyone. So let's start the question number 9.8 from exercise. A piece of copper having a rectangular cross section 15.2 mm into 19.1 mm is pulled in tension with 44,500 Newton force, producing only elastic deformation. Calculate only elastic deformation, but plastic deformation है ना, मतलब तुम्हारे हुक्स लॉ ની લિમિટ માં તેને ખેંચવાનું છે. Calculate the resulting strain by Young's modulus is given. So very simple question. Okay, what are given? Let's say solution. What are given? The cross section area. So A is equal to 15.2 into 19.1 mm square, right? So what is the cross section area? Cross sectional area is not given, but let me write like this way: 15.2 into 19.1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. mm square ने meter square में convert कर दी दूँ तो 10 raised to minus 6 meter square થશે. Okay, चलो, this is the area. મૂકશું આપણે આને. Okay, y is given. What is next? F force is given. 44,500 Newton. Okay, so calculate the resulting strain. Okay, so stress is equal to y into strain. Okay, so tau is equal to y into E. So E is equal to tau upon y. Let's say y, but tau is F by A into y. What is F? F is equal to 44,500 upon A. What is area? 15.2 into 19.1 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, and what is Young's modulus? Young's modulus 1.2 into 10 raised to 11. Okay, so what will be the strain? Find the answer. Strain does not have any units. Okay, find the answer please. The answer is 0.00127. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, so that's all. Okay, चलो लखो झड़पથી લખો ભાઈ, ઘનશ્યામ ભાઈ લખો. Okay, now let me give you the next question. Pause કરીને લખો ભાઈ, pause કરીને લખો. The question number 9.9. Let me write the question in front of you directly. 9.9. What is the question? The question is, okay, a steel cable with a radius. Okay, you can write with me. A steel cable with a radius of 1.5 centimeter supports a chair. A chair lift supports a chair lift. Okay, at a sky area. If a maximum stress is not to exceed 108 Newton per meter square, 10 raised to 8 Newton per meter square. What is the maximum load? What is the maximum load the cable can support? The cable can support. What is the maximum load the cable can support? Okay. Now what is the given? What is given? Everything is given? Okay. See, it is very simple question. Okay. The steel cable with a radius of 1.5 centimeter. Let's start solution. Radius is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Supports a chairlift at a sky R. At a sky R. What is given? What is next? What is next? Area, not R. Area. Okay. If a maximum stress is not to be exceed this much, what is the maximum load the cable can support? Okay. Now see what is the maximum load? So maximum load, so stress tau is equal to F by A. Okay. And if stress is maximum, then force will be maximum. Okay. So force maximum is equal to stress maximum into A. Okay. Now what is A? A is pi r square. Okay. Area is equal to pi r square, whatever it is. So tau maximum into pi r square. What is tau maximum? Tau maximum is 10 raised to 8 pi 3.14. Our radius is 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. So F maximum will be what is the answer? F maximum will be 7.07 into 10 raised to 4 Newton. 7.07 into 10 raised to 4 Newton. Right, so this is the answer of our question. Okay, lakhi lo. Please write. This much load our cable will support. Next question, determine the volume concentration of a solid copper cube. Copper cube. What is volume concentration? Volume concentration is volumetric change. Volumetric change only. Delta V. Okay. Cube 10 centimeter on an edge. When subjected to a hydraulic pressure of 7 into 10 raised to 6, 7 gigapascal. Bulk modulus is given. Determine the volume concentration of a solid copper. So I need to find delta V, not delta V by V. Okay, delta V, only delta V. Okay, so what is the volume concentration? Now for that, what is the equation? Equation is solution. Equation is hydraulic stress, or I can say the pressure is equal to bulk modulus into volumetric strain minus. Okay, if I am writing here minus, then whatever delta V will be there, that will come in minus. કેમ ભાઈ જો એક ક્યુબ છે, લેટ્સ સે એક સોલિડ ક્યુબ છે, બરાબર છે, આ સોલિડ ક્યુબ છે. હવે ક્યુબ છે એના ઉપર એક પ્રેશર એપ્લાય કર્યું છે. કેટલું પ્રેશર એપ્લાય કર્યું છે? 7 into 10 raised to 6, 7 gigapascal. Let's say from every side. Pressure is given from every side. તો જે ડિક્રીઝ થવાનું છે વોલ્યુમ, તો ડિક્રીઝ જ થવાનું છે. પ્રેશર કંઈ ફૂલી થોડો જવાનો છે, તો વોલ્યુમ આનો ડિક્રીઝ થશે. સો ડેલ્ટા વી વિલ કમ ઇન ધ માઇનસ. ઓકે, ના લખો તો બી ચાલે. સપોઝ અહીંયા માઇનસ નથી લખતા તમે, ધેન વોટ એવર આન્સર, જે કે આન્સર આવશે તે તમારે લખવાનું કે ડેલ્ટા વી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ધીસ મચ ડિક્રીમેન્ટ. તો ડિક્રીમેન્ટથી પણ લોકો સમજી જાય કે ડિક્રીમેન્ટ બતાવે છે, ઘટી છે, વસ્તુ ઘટી છે જે છે તે. ચલો કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં. અહીંયા તો what I need to find delta V. So delta V is equal to PV upon minus B. So let's say minus PV upon B. So what is pressure? Pressure, so let's say minus P. Volume is L cube. Length cube, because it is a cube, copper cube છે. So volume is equal to length cube upon V. Okay, now delta V is equal to minus P is 7 into 10 raised to 6. Length cube, length is 10 centimeter. And NOP cube. So 10 centimeter. So 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 10 into 10 raised to 2 meter. And NO pacho cube upon V. Sorry. What is that? Yes. Upon B. Sorry, not V. It is B over here. શું થાય છે આ બધું? ચલો, ઓકે. બલ્ક મોડ્યુલસ કેટલો છે? 1.4 into 10 raised to 11. Okay, now find it. Okay, so minus 7 into 10 raised to 6 and डायरेक्ट અહીંયા લખો જો, અહીંયા લખો જો 1.4 અને 7 તો 14 into 5 થાય ને, 1.4 into 5 તો અહીંયા કેટલું થશે? અહીંયા 5 આવશે. સો minus 5. ઓકે, તો આ બંને તો જતા રહ્યા. 10 raised to 6, 10 into 10 raised to minus 2, so 10 raised to minus 1 અને એનો ક્યુબ, so 10 raised to minus 3 અને upon 10 raised to 11 છે 10 raised to 11, so it is minus 5, 6 minus 3 એટલે 3 11 ઉપર આવશે તો 5 into 11 ને 3 14 માંથી 6 જાય તો 8, 10 raised to minus 8 meter cube. So delta V will be this much meter cube. This is our answer. 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 meter cube. અહીં answer આવશે because this is delta V. Change in the volume. તો આટલું વોલ્યુમ ચેન્જ થશે. ઓકે, ચલો. Now, next question. How much should the pressure on a liter of water be? Compress it by 0.1%. Okay, how much should the pressure be on a liter of water be, how much should the pressure on a liter of water be? Compress it by 0.1%. 0.1%. So I think something is given. See, bulk modulus is given, and I can directly say that this is also given. Delta V by V into 100. This is given. What is that? It is 0.1%. So 0.1%. Okay. So what is given? So it is delta V by V is equal to 0.1 upon 100. So it is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 2. And 0.1, remove 0.1, it will be 10 raised to minus 3. Right? So it is given in percentage. So percentage means delta V by V into 100 is equal to 0.1%. 0.1%. Okay. So what is actually delta V by V? It is 10 raised to minus 3. બરાબર છે? ઓકે, ચલો. તો આપણે શું કીધું? આપણે ફાઇન્ડ શું, હાઉ મચ શુડ ધ પ્રેશર ઓન અ લીટર ઓફ વોટર બી? ઓકે, વોટરની કેટલું આપ્યું છે? લીટર ઓફ વોટર કીધું છે. સો 1 લીટરની અંદર વોલ્યુમ કેટલું હોય? 1 લીટરનું વોલ્યુમ હોય. સો વોલ્યુમ V is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to 3 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube થાય ને, 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. It means 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. How? Let's say 10 raised to 3 centimeter. Centimeter cube is equal to meter cube. કેટલું થાય? 10 raised to 6 minus 6. Convert centimeter cube into meter cube. So it will be 10 raised to minus 6. Okay. So 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 6. It is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Okay. So volume, we found the volume also. Okay. But I think we do not need to found volume. Okay. ખોટે ખોટું volume find કર્યું. Already આપેલું છે delta V by V. Bulk modulus भी આપેલું છે. How much should the pressure on a liter of water be? ચલો, no need to find it. So the equation pressure is equal to bulk modulus into delta V by V. You can write here minus also. Minus shows that there is the decrement. Okay. And the delta V by V will be minus. કેમ ભાઈ? તો કે જો water be compressed by 1.1%. compress થાય છે. કેટલું compress થાય છે? 0.1%. So this should be minus. Okay, delta V by V should be minus. And in equation there is the minus. Okay, now pressure. So minus B. B is 2.2 into 10 raised to 9. Okay. And what is the unit? Unit is Newton per meter square. Okay. Delta V by V into minus 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. So minus plus 2.2 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. So this will be the pressure. સમજાયો કે દાખલો? સમજાયો ભાઈ? સિમ્પલ છે, ટફ નથી. વોટરને 1 લીટર વોટર આપ્યું છે અને એને 0.1% કમ્પ્રેસ કરવું છે. તો 0.1% compress means delta V by V into 100 is 0.1%. So delta V by V is equal to 10 raised to minus 3. But it is minus because it is the compression. And this is the equation. There is minus in equation also. Now, the value of B we know. The value of delta V by V. So, the pressure is this much. This much pressure is required to compress 1 liter of water by 0.1%. Okay. So, let's say that's all for today. પૂરું કરીએ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરની અંદર પાછા કોઈ નવા એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ બાકી હશે તો એ પૂરા કરશું અને પછી ધીમે ધીમે ચેપ્ટરને આપણે એન્ડ તરફ લઈ જઈએ. ઓકે, સો થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.